Hello everyone. So you would like to know what is the meta in Magic the Gathering arena. Maybe you've read online some people mentioning it and you don't know exactly what it is. It is a fairly simple concept and it is basically the type of decks that people tend to play. And that is basically given by the fact that if you have a set amount of cards, like a certain amount, there is going to very likely be one or two or three decks uh, or type of decks that are really strong, and as they are stronger they are probably going to be played a lot more often than other uh, other type of decks. For example, in this website it was literally the first on Google when I googled it, when I googled like magic meta. They give you, for example, the amount, the percentage of people that play certain type of decks, and here you can find the decks once you click it, like card type, and you can see type of cards. Now here it's probably like premium paid or something, but hopefully you understand that these are the different type of decks and what they do and so on. And so yeah, it is a simple concept, and it is important to remember because yes, you will always find the same type of decks very often, and you might want to know the meta to counter it. So you play certain cards in your deck just because they are very strong against the most played type of decks. In this way, you can really make your deck a lot stronger, and really you will be able to win more often. That is why the meta is important, and also know what other people are playing just because it's a game and it's fun. So this is it. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.